Bienvenido a la clase de español. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, which is for the irregular verb. The irregular verbs are the verbs which are conjugated not as per the rule, but there are certain verbs where only the yo first person is irregular, and for them also there are certain rules. So we are going to discuss those rules today. Okay, so I have written some of the verbs here. We will discuss them. Irregular first person, which is only yo form. Yo form means first person singular. Okay, so the first rule is ending with CER and CIR. The verbs which are ending with CER and CIR, in that this is the IR and ER, but C is together. Then this C will change into ZC. Okay, then particularly this OR and ER will change into O. Okay, so for example, let's start with this conocer. Let me take another pen. Conocer, conocer, if I am saying changing it to your form, conozco, conozco. Okay, we will discuss the other conjugation also for these verbs. First, let's check how they are changing it in the yo form. Conocer, to know, conozco. Merecer is to deserve, it merezco, merezco, ZCO. Desaparecer, disappear, is, we will say desa, PEREZCO. Desaparezco, desaparezco. This is the yo form for disappear. Then conducir, condu, condu, and instead of sir I will write conduzco, conduzco. Okay, then producir, then produce, PRODU, instead of sir I will say produzco, produzco. Then traducir, traducir, it will be traduzco, traduzco. Okay, crecer, crecer is to grow. Okay, it is not for the age or something, this is for different use. It is CRE, then ser will change into crasco. Then establecer, establish, establezco, establezco. Okay, so remember, when it is ending with ser and sir, use Z and C and change into first person. Okay, so if I am erasing this particularly, okay, and find out what will be the further conjugation of, for example, for conocer, yo conozco, what will be tú conoces, it will be regular conjugation, it will be regular conjugation, it will not change like this, only yo form will change. Then él, ella y usted, it will be conoce. Okay, then if I am talking about nosotros, it will be conocemos. Okay, vosotros will be conocéis. Okay, and ellos, ellas y ustedes. It will be what it will be? Conocen. So this is how we can conjugate all the verb ending with all the verb ending with ser and ir, only ser. See, for example, conducir. Conducir, everything will be same here. Conducimos, okay? Conducimos, and here conducies. For example, let's do it for conducir. I will not write subject pronoun. I will just conjugate it. Conducir. Okay. So for yo it will be condu, and instead of sir it will be condusco. Conduces. Sorry, conduce, then conducimos. Okay, this is the only difference between ir and r verb. Here I will be there. I am forgetting to write. Conducis. Okay, conducen. Okay, so this is how we conjugate this. The second rule is ending with ger or gir. Hai, ra, hai, ra. So this is G will change into hota, J. Okay. So in all these forms, G will change into J. Escoger, escojo, and rest of the conjugation will be same. Escoger, sorry, ecoger, ecojo, to greet. Proteger, protejo, to protect. Emerger, emerjo, to emerge. Dirigir, dirigo, to direct. Coger, cojo, to grab. Then corregir, corrijo. Here this E will change into I. This is a stem changing verb. Corregir, corrijo. Then elegir, elijo, to choose. Exigir, exijo, to demand. Recoger, to it will change into recojo, to pick up. In this also the first person will change into G will change into J. For example, this J and then O. Okay, J and J. So this is the second rule. Now ending with GUIR. Some of the verb are ending with GUIR. For example, in this GU will change into G. We will not take the U. So seguir is a stem changing verb in which E will change into I, then it will change into sigo. Conseguir, it will change into consigo, to follow, to get. Distinguish, it will change into DISTINGO. Okay, means I am not using this U. Then extinguish, extingo. Then conseguir will change into consego. Okay, so in this way we will change the verb. These are the few verbs which you can remember for first person irregular. Remember the rule. First rule, I told you that if the verb is ending with CER and CIR, change it into ZCO, some of the verb. Remember the verbs, not every verb. For example, some of the verbs will change in a different way. Second rule was GER and GIR, in which G will change into J to pronounce in a better way. So, for example, Eli here will change into Eliho. So they will change into first person only, rest of the conjugation will be same. If the verb is of stem changing verb, we have to follow that rule also. The third, which I told you, GUIR, in which GU will change into G only. We will not use U. So we will conjugate it accordingly. For example, Sagir will change into Sigo, but it is a stem changing verb. E will change into I, so I am saying Sigo. But if it is not a stem changing verb, then definitely we will just use G instead of GU. There are certain verbs which are not following these rule and just changing accordingly. For example, it is kaber. Kaber will change into kipo. Kaer to fall, it will change into kaigo. Ase to make, it will change into ago. So we only have to remember this. There are not any rule for this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. And if I miss something, please tell me in comment section so that I can also learn, because I am also a new learner and making video to make me understand more and more about Spanish and spread the knowledge, because sharing knowledge is very good to understand a new language. Thank you so much.